Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to talk about upcycling or glow ups, especially when it comes to Halloween decor. And this can be with any kind of decor, seasonal decor or regular decor. There was a huge trend not that long ago about like Ray Dunn and everything had words, and you go into someone's house and it said eat, laugh, love, or like the buffalo print was really big. I had that like in my whole house just a few years ago. So of course I have all these decorations that I feel like are outdated, or in instance like this book that I had used in something else. It was an old book, it was missing pages. I didn't destroy a book, like a good book anyway. I use it in my Halloween stuff, so it was like a spell book in one of my themes. This year I decided I want more neutrals, kind of whites, and so I'm like, instead of getting rid of this and buying something new, I'm going to give it a makeover. And the same thing with that first pumpkin there that had leopard print. I was huge into animal print. Not that I'm not now, but I knew I kind of wanted something neutral, something nice, and I can use it all throughout the fall now because it is like a white. I've even thought about doing the decoupage print on it. I just haven't found like a napkin print that I like yet, but I may end up doing that and giving it another glow up. But for now, the white works. And it's something as simple as just like spray painting it. And then if I don't like that later on, I can spray paint again. But with these books here, I'm just embellishing them a little bit. These are stickers that I got at, it's like a 3D sticker, and I got it at the Dollar Tree. And then I just like stamped, I used some of my old stamps and just put stuff on it, put the twine around it. I thought I had some keys because I thought that would be really cute to hang like a skeleton key from it. At some point I'll come across that key and then add it to this, versus throwing these books away and looking for more decor. I just searched on Pinterest for some updated looks and decided that I was going to take what I had, not spend any more money. Let's be real, I will spend money on decor, but let's not spend money that I don't need to because I can upcycle stuff that I have. Just looking through different trends and stuff will give you ideas what to do. Like this cauldron is just a plastic cauldron. I've had it for years, and I made that whole like bubbly thing, like the witch's cauldron with the fake clear Christmas ornaments. And then I saw this whole thing that you can make them look very rustic just by putting cinnamon on them. So I'm doing that and kind of making this look a little more authentic now. Like maybe I don't want that kind of cheapy look, and there's like new trends that are coming out, so I can work with that and use what I have, make it look even better. I actually had used glass bulbs, Christmas bulbs, the last time I did this, and I had broke some when I packed it away, so I had to redo this anyway. I knew I was going to do this last year and got the plastic bulbs at Hobby Lobby when they were like 75% off. If you can think ahead that far and know the things that you need, then when it comes time to decorate, you can pull everything out and work with it again. If you're new here, I am Kristen, the Creative Peacock, and I love doing all things DIY. If you've come back to me numerous times, thank you so much for coming on this crazy, chaotic journey with me. I love taking anything old and making it a more sustainable life and just giving it a glow up. That's what gets me excited and keeps me going and just being creative. I don't know where I got these lights, but these are some of my favorite lights because they're on a timer and they change from purple to green, and it just looks so magical to me. I have a couple strands of these and I really wish I knew where I got them from because I would probably invest in a lot more. There's lots of tutorials out there on this one, and it's a huge trend right now. Like, I think this started a couple years ago, because this is when I first made this one with the glass ornaments, and then it's just evolved over time. So here we are with the final look. I have this in my hallway. It just illuminates it nicely, and you can see it's like got that spooky feel. There's those original books that I kind of gave a glow up to, and that's why I think this little skeleton key would look really cute there. Then this right here was an awesome thrift find, and it's a tissue box holder. And I kind of think tissue box holders are kind of outdated. Like, I don't mind just having the cardboard boxes around my house, but when I find a really cute one, I know that I'm gonna do something really fun with it. This just screamed spooky books to me. I don't think I'd ever have this out any other time of year, but again, I ran to Pinterest, I looked up some spooky looks. I'm really into this neutrals right now. I didn't want to do like the dark and gloomy. I wanted like white and airy, spooky ghost feel. So I took those same embellishment stickers from the Dollar Tree, I put those on, and I painted over them this time because I wanted to give it more of that cohesive look on the books. I'm just simply hot gluing them on, kind of putting some aged antique stuff around the edges just to make it look cool, especially on like the book page part, and then my tissue box. And this was really easy. I want to say I got this box for, it was under $3, but it just adds a little bit of spooktacular stuff to my Halloween looks. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and is there anything that you would update or give a glow up and recycle? Drop some pictures down below. I'd love to see what you do, and make sure to follow along because I'm going to be looking for some unique frames and some doilies and some old brooches. Come see what I'm making next.